As Washington continues to reel from recent reports of widespread sexual misconduct, President Mellie has announced her intentions of attacking this problem on a national level. Analysts consider the president's move to be particularly bold in that she risks losing support she needs in order to push along an already embattled budget.
Hi. Come in. I just wanted to tell you that I saw the press conference. It was good. Great.
Thanks.
I guess I could have called, but after all of... I thought maybe you wouldn't pick up.
I would have. I don't blame the team. I can't, because in the end, this is not their fight. It's not Quinn's, it's not yours, it's mine. I'm the one who needs to step up because I made Mellie a promise. At some point or another, men would try to strip her of power. I promised that I wouldn't stand by and let that happen. No matter the fallout, no matter how hard Cyrus pushes back, I can't let Mellie stand alone.
Well, I'm in.
Really?
Yeah. You had me at dismantling the patriarchy.